Hey guys and gals, welcome back to Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks Online. Today, I've got something awesome for you. I'm going to talk about these in just a second. These are seed packs that contain some favorite pollinator flowers. They're annuals. The good thing about these is the seed pack is put together, and I've got a special deal for you guys, so hang on. The seed pack is put together and the seeds selected so that all of the seeds that are in this variety pack grow in all 10 agricultural regions in the U.S., zones 1 through 10. So they will grow anywhere. They're annual, which means they'll come back every year. And this is what the packet contains: red poppies, zinnia, sunflowers, Plains Coriopsis, and some others. Their favorite flowers, annuals, for both pollen and nectar, for pollinators, and especially honeybees. These seed packs, cover 10 square feet each. And the reason that I'm selling these, I'm going to get into right now. I'm not making any money on these seed packs. I'm doing this for two reasons. One is to help the bees and to help you guys provide a better, more nutritious source of protein and carbohydrate for the bees during the spring, summer, and fall. The second reason is way more important. My wife's sister, Leslie, and that's a picture of her right there. This is her at a JDRF walkathon. The JDRF is the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation. And you may be wondering why she's there. And that's because her son, my nephew, Mason, has type 1 diabetes. This is a picture of him here, right here. And this is a recent picture. I think it was like a week and a half ago. He ended up in the emergency room with diabetic ketoacidosis. He has to wear an insulin pump. It's really difficult for him and for his mom. I can't even imagine. I've got kids, 3 kids of my own, and thank God they're all healthy. And she goes through a lot with Mason, up every couple hours every night testing his glucose. And she works a full-time job too to take care of her family, and still has to get up, all night to make sure that Mason's fine. My heart goes out to her, and I know that she works really hard to take good care of him. But my wife came to me about 2 weeks ago and asked me if I would be willing to do a fundraiser for the JDRF, the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, because of Mason. My sister, they're sisters. They're constantly doing stuff for each other. And I said, yeah, that sounds like a great idea, honey. I can do something. Let me kind of figure out what to do. And my wife came up with the idea of putting together seed packs with seeds for the bees to help feed the bees. So they're Feed the Bees seed packs. And at the same time, we help the JDRF. The seed packs are $3. That includes the shipping. So includes the shipping. So the seed pack itself is really $2. And we will send all of the profit from these, to the JDRF, and specifically to Leslie's fundraiser for the JDRF, which she needs help with. So if you're interested in helping us, and I'm reaching out to you guys, I have a lot of YouTube subscribers. You guys, the beekeeping community in general, are good people. And there's really no reason not to buy the seed packs, because they're going to help your bees anyway. But at the same time, you're helping kids with diabetes and maybe helping find a cure for this debilitating, life-threatening disease. And I really, my heart just really goes out to them. But we could use your help. I know that you guys are good people. You'll definitely give us a hand with this. Anything you can do is fine, even if it's 1 pack. If you can buy 10 or 100 packs, great. But 1 pack would really help us out. Broadcast them out for your bees. You'll give your bees a good food source, and you'll be helping kids with juvenile diabetes, including Mason, my nephew. So in the next couple of days, as usual, I'll be coming out with an actual video to teach you guys how to build a piece of beekeeping equipment. Until then, thank you for visiting. Stop by funnybugbees.com. In the description below, you'll find a link to my sister-in-law Leslie's fundraiser page on the JDRF. If you don't want to buy the seed packs and you just want to help her, you can donate at that link directly to the JDRF in her name and Mason's name. These seed packs are in our store at funnybugbees.com in the bee feeder section, and I'll also include a link below. If you guys have any questions about it, please post in the comments. And I thank you so much for whatever you can do. So I will see you in a couple of days with a video, and I'll talk to you then. Have a good weekend. Bye.